If you need to get quickly from one part of town to another, this stylish and affordable scooter is made for you. It doesn't just take on traffic, it cuts through it. The relaxed riding position is comfortable, offering a great view of what's going on around you, while the flat floor is practical. It is more economical to run and full of premium features that you'll enjoy with every ride. And, while it may represent straightforward, simple transport, this bike is so much more when it comes to all-round performance. Welcome to Motoscope. Introducing the all-new 2022 Honda Vision. The new engine of the Honda Vision is a 108 cubic centimeters, 2-valve ESP with gasoline injection. This revised engine has increased its torque to 9 Nm and delivers a power of 8.9 horsepower at 7,500 RPM. The Vision 110's engine bore and stroke is 50 by 55.1 mm with a compression ratio of 9.5:1. With these values, it has good acceleration and a maximum speed of around 100 km per hour. The new Vision 110 has Honda's idling stop system, which stops the engine after a time of 3 seconds when it is idling and turns on automatically when turning the throttle. This idle stop system reduces the consumption of the Honda Vision 110 up to 52 km per liter. The new Honda Vision scooter has a new front fork with 35 mm bars, and thanks to a compact wheelbase of only 1,290 mm, makes this urban scooter very agile and manageable. This point is favored by a weight content of only 102 kilograms when full. In addition, the width of the Vision 110 has been reduced to 380 mm, as well as the incorporation of smaller mirrors. The riding position and ergonomics have also been completely revised, and the seat height of the Honda Vision 110 has been lowered to 770 mm. But in pursuit of increasing rider comfort, this new Honda scooter increases legroom. A full-face helmet can be stored under the seat of the Honda Vision 110. Behind the shield there are 2 storage areas, and in the rear area under the seat, 2 helmet hooks. This new high-wheel scooter from Honda features 16-inch wheels shod with 80/90 by 16 front and 90/90 by 14 rear tires. Regarding the brake system, the Honda Vision 110 mounts a 220 mm diameter front disc with a single piston caliper, while the rear is fitted with a 130 mm drum with CBS combined brake system. The price of the Honda Vision 110 is $29,990,000 VND, roughly 71,000 in Philippine peso. Are you planning to buy this motorcycle unit? Let me know in the comment box below. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And if you enjoyed this video, you can leave a like and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.